session and everything. So we are just planning to have that particular session, and that session related details will be given to you, and complete food and everything will be taken care by in that particular hotel only. You just need to spend that full day as part of various topics we discussed, and also regarding any other activities are there, anything we need to do, those all, and also certificates or level 1 related certificate will be on the same day we'll give it. So other people who are staying away from Hyderabad, if they travel, we are very happy for that. And if it is not possible, then always we have this Facebook and other links are there. It will be provided, and see that Hyderabad people participate in the full session, because it will be a full day. Lots of activities will be there, and Q&A sessions. There will be 2 or 3 speakers will be there who will be taking sessions on that day. Apart from the Bhagavad Gita, some other topics also we are planning. So apart from this, if you have any queries, you can ask me. I'll be available for.
Sorry, which date?
Yes, tell me,
which
sir.
Which date and day and day?
It will be somewhere in the April month, sir. I think by April, most of the Sunday only it will be.
Okay, thank you.
Sunday it will
Sir,
be majorly it will be in the second week or third week,
okay.
second Sunday or third Sunday, somewhere April 18th, because by that time our course related, level 1 related, everything will be completed, and submissions will be done. We also want you to speak, come on to stage and talk about that particular course, whatever you learned, so that will give some value added even for you and also for the course related. Yes, Upendra.
Total how many levels, sir? Total how many levels?
Sir, total we have 4 levels.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, level
that
1
4
is
certificates you will get, sir?
Level 1 is about the psychology related. Level 2 it will be management, motivation and leadership related. Level 3 some advanced psychology concepts will be coming, and level 4 it is completely on the projects related. That's what we planned.
Thank you, sir. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Every level you will give certificate, sir? That
Yeah, every level there will be a certificate. Level 1, 2, 3,
okay,
4, and after completion of all levels, the master certificate will be given.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you. So, any other queries you can ask? Otherwise, we'll just start with the class. Okay, so we'll just go with the class, and if you still have any queries, you can always post in the group, and also in the discussion group is already available. You can post in any of these areas. Okay, thank you.
So shall we start with Guru Prarthana? Narayana Samarambham Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. So I hope you all remember what we covered in the last session. We started with conflict management. Okay, so today I will be covering the conflict management, the rest over part. Okay, we will finish it by 12 o'clock. And I will be giving you all 10 minutes of break, or you can take 15 minutes of break. After that 15 minutes, till now what all we are covered, I want each one of you to present at least in 5 to 6 minutes, because I want to know what is your key takeaway till date and what is your understanding. So why we have initiated conflict management, how we have connected that to Bhagavad Gita. So when we take the first 3 chapters, first chapter was Arjuna Vishada Yoga, second chapter is Sankhya Yoga, third chapter is Karma Yoga. Till I did not go with execution part, that is Karma Yoga. So most of the slokas till now what we covered are from the first chapter, that is Vishada Yoga, how Arjuna was, what was his state of mind, what he is going through. Then coming what Krishna started saying to Arjuna, that motivation part. So the duties, responsibilities, okay, how he is motivating, right? So including these 2 parts, how it is connected to conflict management, why understanding conflict management is important, that part you will be presenting me. This is very important, because this program is not just to listen or just winding up the session. It's complete. You need to have understanding about the concept. Done? So kindly don't leave, because you need to present whatever you understood, you present it. So wherever you are lacking it, we can cover that in the coming up sessions. Done? So last time we understood conflict, intra-conflict, inter-conflict, and we understood about the mechanisms, right? Today we are going to see this point we have connected, what are the mechanisms for conflict resolution? We are done with this. Now comes what are the defensive conflict mechanisms. Actually, why we need to understand the defensive conflict mechanisms? Whatever the problems we are having every day in our life, it's because lack of awareness, and how we are coping up with the things are, most of us are suffering by using this defensive mechanism. So let us understand, because unless we understand what problems we are going through, we don't connect it with Gita, right? So first we need to know what problems we are going through. So what are the defensive mechanism conflict? So you all understand and agree that we all have conflicts in life, right? But we will be using mechanism to overcome that. Few will be using the positive, few will be using this defensive mode. So what happens, what are the defensive types, and what happens if at all we use this defensive types, we will go through. Done? So see, you can make note of them. The first one would be repression, projection, regression, rationalism or rationalization, displacement, compensation, and reaction form. All these come under defensive conflict mechanisms. So here we will not be aware, we will not accept that we are undergoing a conflict. Unless we are aware, unless we don't know that there is a conflict, we can never work on overcoming that, right? So what is this repression? A person who has repressed memories of abuse suffered as a child may later have difficulty forming relationship. This is an example for repression. So in our life, right from the childhood, we might have come across many kind of incidents, which might be a traumatic experience for us, which incidents we did not like it. If at all consciously we are trying to overcome them, we want to suppress them, we want to consciously trying to consciously we are trying to, like,